Hello there. My name is Ben, and I wanted to show you an exhaust diverter hose that I've installed on our Kubota LX2620 to keep the soot off the loader arms. The exhaust on our tractor points right at the loader arm. Every time I start it up, it sprays a little bit of soot. Over time, it makes quite a mess. I had a metal one on our B2601, but I was always concerned that if I bumped it, I could damage the exhaust system. I watched a video by It's About Making Not Buying, and he used a radiator hose. And I think this is a really good idea. It's heat resistant, and if you bump it, it'll bend out of the way and come back to its original shape. He installed it on a Kubota B2601 and had no issues. I've installed it on our LX2620, and so far all is good. It gets warm to the touch, but I can still put my hand on it. The outside diameter of our exhaust is 1 1/8 inches. That's the same as the B2601. The inside diameter of this hose is 1 3/16 inches, which makes a nice snug fit with a hose clamp. This hose is perfect for our application. I didn't have to cut it or do anything to it. Just install it and put on a hose clamp. The brand name of this hose is Gates, and the part number is 22692. If this video can help someone, that would be great. Thanks for watching, and take care.